What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we're back to another video. Today is a beautiful Sunday and it's Father's Day, so I want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. This is going to be a different video. This is not going to be a rebuild video. We got invited to a private event / car show, so should be fun. I don't know exactly what's going on there or what car is going to be there, so I'll take you guys with me and I'll show you around. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. If you do, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe so you guys could be up to date. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. I'll show you guys around what's going on. Taking the Rolls Royce, and my brother is in the back taking the 458, so should be fun. And by the way, this car is for sale, so if anybody is interested in buying this roly-poly, it's for sale now, and I'll put the link in description so you guys could check it out. What was wrong with the car when we bought it? There was a minor damage, cosmetic damage, so nothing too serious. So I'll put a link in description with my email, so if you guys are interested, feel free to shoot me an email to get more information about the car. So thank you guys once again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys at the car show. Looks like we arrived. Private property. Should be on the guest list.
Hi.
Hey, what's going on? I'm on the guest list.
What's your name?
Vladimir. It looks like a nice community. Fairly new. I think they just built this place.
Front and back is a Dimitri?
Yeah. So I just go straight and make a right, or?
Right here. Or it's right here on the right side.
Okay, cool. All right.
Right side.
Cool. Thank you, man. Should be very interesting. Super excited. I like those kind of private events because not too many people, and this way you could interact with people instead of a big group and everybody's over the place. This way you get to shake some hands, meet new people, and everybody got expensive cars up here. They all need body work eventually, hopefully not, but if they do, they could come to us. So should be fun. Let's just find this place now. Oh, looks like we arrived.
No, everybody's moving. Yeah, park out on the street. Yeah.
What up, yo?
Hello, bud.
What's going on, man?
How you been?
Where can we park?
Go around, and we're gonna like park up.
All right, cool.
Everybody's.
So this is the last stage of the Super Trofeo before it goes in, and Nick's gonna start doing the body work on that, new panels and everything. So he wanted to show it off for the last time to people so they could see before it gets transformed completely. Right now it looks like a transformer, but we're almost at the finish line where you guys gonna be shocked what this thing's gonna look like. So let's take a final look at it before it gets new look. Oh, check it out. He detailed it. It looks really clean. Wow, look at this beauty. And he removed the air intake so it has more room, and he removed the exhaust as well, so it's gonna be a screamer.
Then we were gonna go to all of it. Intake, all of it.
done. It was cool, little gathering, man, all kinds of cool people. Now it's time to go home and celebrate Father's Day. We're gonna go to the beach with Mama and the baby, relax, have some fun. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this content, you know what to do, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!